Hi, I'm Dr. Shambavi Richard. I'm co-director of CAR-T and stem cell transplant for multiple myeloma at Mount Sinai Hospital in New York. So 2 months ago, the FDA started an investigation into secondary T-cell malignancies that were associated with BCMA or CD19 targeted CAR-Ts based on cases from clinical trials and post-marketing surveillance. And based on this, the FDA has now concluded the investigation and have mandated label updates for 6 commercially approved CAR-T therapies and are mandating boxed warnings, which is the highest safety-related warning for these medications. And basically, they have instructed the companies to include a paragraph in the box warnings to say that T-cell malignancies can occur following treatment with these BCMA and CD19 directed autologous CAR T cell immunotherapies. And and they also are requiring this language in another section in the package insert, that is the warnings and precautions section. So this is, of course, of major importance and has several implications. So the industries now have to respond to this. They either have to accept or they have um, to return with a statement as to why they feel that this is not required, or to reword it in some way. But whatever it is, they have to comply in by response, or else they will incur some penalties and label changes and things like that. The implications of these are several. One, it's certainly, while it's very important, I think, for all researchers, pharma companies responsible for the manufacture of these products, and for the consumer, the patients, to be very aware and to be diligent about monitoring for these kinds of side effects. It's also important, and I think the agency, as well as everybody in the researchers and academia, understand that it's still, the benefits still outweigh the risks. Um, However, as these products are now being considered for earlier and earlier use in the myeloma journey, for instance, and we know that these products are seeking approvals for earlier lines of therapy, this is going to have implications as to how this is going to affect it. And so it's something that we will continue to watch and will continue to be quite important as we figure out how to use all of these products and monitor and be safe about using them. Abecma is trying to move it up to like third line therapy, and Cilta-cel is trying to move it up to second line therapy. And so, of course, the implications of these kinds of serious side effects, if they can be related to CAR-Ts as being causative, would of course have major implications for earlier lines of therapy. As of now, they are approved for advanced myeloma at 4 or more lines of therapy. And so that does have some major implications.